Okay, you're the dealer and you pass. You've only got 7 points. Let's see what happens. On your left, they open a diamond. Partner makes a preemptive overcall of 3 spades. They've jumped 3 levels. Not 1 spade, not 2 spades, but 3 spades. So you can be sure they're showing 7 spades. The next hand says double, which is a negative double. And now's our opportunity. We know the other side will have points, but we've got a singleton club and 4 trumps to the ace. Got nothing to do with points, why we raised to 4 spades. We might make 4 spades, but we've taken the bidding away from the opponent. So we bid 4 spades. As expected, they double. Queen of diamonds is led and we count our winners and losers. Partner's got exactly the hand we expected. A long run of spades and not much else. So we've got 1 diamond loser, only 1 club loser because we've got a singleton and there's a singleton diamond in the north hand, that's nice. And we might lose 1 heart or 2, it depends where the ace is. So let's follow suit. They played a club, lose the club. They play a diamond back but we can trump it. And now draw trumps. We had 11 trumps between us, so we're not too worried about that. And they broke 1-1, so the spades are all gone. Now we would actually now test the hearts. So play a little heart up. We need to know where the ace is. There it is. Oh, that means our king's going to make a trick. So we're doing very well on this hand. We'll make all the rest of the tricks actually. Ooh, we've made 4 spades doubled. Queen of clubs we can trump. The king of hearts is a winner. We can trump a heart or a diamond to get back to hand. And now we can trump the queen of clubs. Ace of spades and we've only got trumps. So wow, we made the hand. So let's analyse, why did we make this hand? It was really the huge spade fit and the fact that we've got singletons in different suits. So we only had 1 diamond loser, even though we were missing ace, king, queen, jack of diamonds, and 1 club loser, even though we're missing the ace and the king of clubs. So wow. The lucky thing was that the ace of hearts was onside. So we've chalked up a very big score for that, 590 points.